Qiang drives 15 miles at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. How many additional miles will he have to drive at 55 miles per hour to average 50 miles per hour for the entire trip? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with what we know. The first 15 miles are driven at 30 miles per hour. Since time equals distance divided by speed, that first part takes 15 divided by 30, which is 1/2 of an hour. Now let d be the number of additional miles driven at 55 miles per hour. That part takes d divided by 55 hours. To average 50 miles per hour for the whole trip, the total distance divided by the total time must equal 50. So 15 plus d, divided by 1/2 plus d over 55, equals 50. Multiply both sides by the total time. 15 plus d equals 50 times 1/2 plus d over 55. That is 25 plus 10d over 11. Subtract 10d over 11 and 15 from both sides to get d over 11 equals 10. So d equals 110 miles. So Qiang must drive 110 additional miles at 55 miles per hour. That is answer choice D.